We're obsessed with this chocolate fudge. It's a great snack over the holiday season and perfect for gifting. Let's show you how we make it. To start off with, we're going to line our baking tin with some baking paper. We've used two 5-inch tins here, but you can use one 8-inch instead. Then we're going to put one tin of condensed milk into a pan and warm that up over a low heat. After 1 or 2 minutes, you can add 400 grams of milk chocolate chips and give that all a good mix. As you mix it in, you'll start to see that the chocolate melts into the condensed milk. We're aiming for a nice glossy finish for our fudge. Once the chocolate is about half melted into the condensed milk, we're going to add a generous pinch of sea salt. This helps to balance out the sweetness of the chocolate and the condensed milk. Keep this on a low heat and continuously mix it. We're going to watch how this fudge transforms into a silky, glossy mix. The great thing about this chocolate fudge is that it only uses 3 ingredients and you can make it ahead of time. You can also add whatever you want to customize this fudge to your taste. Once it looks something like this, you know that it's done. You can now pour your fudge into the tins that you lined earlier. If you're using more than one tin, make sure to split the mix evenly. You then want to put this into the fridge for at least 3 hours. Once the fudge is set, you want to remove the baking paper and then cut the fudge into even cubes. This recipe makes about 50 cubes of fudge. This delicious fudge is a crowd pleaser and guaranteed to go down as a treat over the Christmas period. Make sure if you try this recipe, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.